Welcome back to the MakeForms tutorial series. In this video, we will look at the spacer field. The spacer field does not show any text or line. It only adds a gap, which helps your form feel less packed and easier to read. We have an appointment form with a heading at the top, a divider, and then fields like name, phone number, appointment date, and time. We'll add a spacer between the divider and the name field so the inputs don't sit too close to the line and the form feels easier to read. Start by dragging the spacer field into your form and dropping it between the divider and the name field. When you select the spacer field, you'll see its settings on the right. Here you can control how tall the empty space should be. Keep it small if you just want a light gap, or increase the height if you want a clear break between parts of the form. In this appointment form, you can set a medium spacer between the divider and the name field, so the inputs don't sit too close to the line. That's a quick look at the spacer field in MakeForms. Thank you for watching.